Greetings to everyone on my channel. I was approached by clients with a request to add one row of these beautiful bricks called Salucia to their existing fence and replace the bricks that were completely damaged. Upon inspecting the fence, it was clear that no one had adhered to proper leveling. Neither vertical nor horizontal alignment mattered to anyone, which led to some issues. I started by removing the top coping, also known as the pasaman. There was reinforcement inside this coping, which I completely dismantled along with the damaged bricks. This is the result we got afterward. The new bricks look fantastic. I laid the top coping without reinforcement since there was no need for it. I extended this column, applied the necessary facade plaster, and now it all looks spot on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more exciting content to come.